In this video, I will show you how to add a brush in Photoshop. To do this, open up Photoshop and just go to a design that you want to use it in. For example, I'll just open up this one. Now after doing that, you want to go over to the paint section right here. And once you are in the paint section, from there, if you click on it, you will see this. So you can see brush. Now, if you click on brush presets, then from here, you can see the ones that they usually have. Now, if you click on plus, then you can import from files, or you can discover new brushes. For example, click discover new, and then from here you can go and take whatever brush you want and download it and then import it into your Photoshop. For example, if I download this one, you can see the download is now starting, and now I can go back to the plus right here and I click import from files and then just upload the file that I have just downloaded. So the crosshatch right here. And now you can see the brushes have been loaded. So now they will be in here. So you can now see crosshatch. And now I have all of these brushes added in that I can now go and use. So that's how to add a brush in Photoshop. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.